Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Medicare Healthy Living Rewards, program guide step by step clearly. To activate the Medicare Healthy Living Rewards program, begin by logging into your Medicare account. Navigate to the rewards section of the website. If you do not have an account yet, create one by clicking on the sign up button and providing the necessary personal information. Once logged in, locate the Activate Rewards option within the Rewards section. Read through the program guidelines to ensure you understand the terms and conditions. Select your preferred health activities from the list provided. Activities may include attending wellness visits, completing preventive screenings, or participating in health education sessions. Confirm your selections to proceed with the activation process. You may be required to enter additional information related to your health activities. After all details are filled in, review your selections to ensure everything is correct. Submit your activation request. You will receive a confirmation message once your request is processed. Keep track of your activities to earn rewards throughout the year. Log in periodically to check your rewards balance and see available redemption options. If you encounter any issues, contact customer support for assistance. Refer to the Frequently Asked Questions section for more information about the program. By following these steps, you can successfully activate your Medicare Healthy Living Rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.